Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert sweater icon in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, open your Chrome browser, then open your Apple Keynote software, then open your Keynote presentation. Now you can see this is my Keynote presentation. Now go to the first slide on the presentation and go to the shape menu and go to the object, and you can see this is a sweater icon. Now click this and insert it. Now increase or decrease very easily. Now you can move anywhere. Now I am change the icon color. Now firstly select the icon and go to the color, and here is a more color on the icon. Now change the color. Now click this and here is a theme color, more color, custom. You can make custom color very easily. Now you can see insert sweater icon in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.